I am Kamal, your chemistry teacher. Today the topic is isotope. Let's discuss about the isotope. My last example is about the isotopes of chlorine. Chlorine has two isotopes. One is chlorine 35 and the second is chlorine 37. Chlorine 35 can be written as Cl3570, whereas chlorine 37 can be written as chlorine 3720. Now this chlorine 35, it has 17 protons, 17 electrons and 18 number of neutrons. So its mass number is 35. Whereas the chlorine 37, it also has same atomic number. Therefore its number of protons is 17, number of electrons are 17, whereas the number of neutrons here is 20. So it makes its mass number 37. Now in some books you have noticed, or in the periodic table, it's written that the mass of chlorine is 35.5. Now the question arises, why it's written as 35.5? The answer is very simple. This is the average or relative atomic mass of chlorine. Now question arises, how we can calculate it? This chlorine mass is 35.5 because it's an average or relative atomic mass of chlorine. So it depends upon the relative abundance of the chlorine isotopes. This chlorine 35, it exists in nature as 75%, whereas the chlorine 37, it exists in a less quantity. Its relative abundance is 25%. So this we call it relative abundance. So with the help of this relative abundance, scientists has calculated the average or the relative atomic mass of chlorine. Now let's see how we can calculate it. Chlorine 35 is 75% in nature. So 75%, this is how we can write it. So you can add the another chlorine, which is 37, into its relative abundance, which is 25%. Mathematically, and of percentage, it will change into 100. Here also we will do the same like this. If you solve it, here you will get the value 26.25 and plus you will get another value for chlorine 37, which will be 9.25. If you add both of these values, the result will be 35.5, which is average or relative atomic mass of chlorine. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Thank you very much for watching my video. I appreciate your valuable comments. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe,